Did you know that one cheap at-home product in your drawer could replace an entire shelf of beauty products? Yep, I'm talking about Vaseline. This simple, budget-friendly jar has been a skincare secret for over 140 years. And no, it's not just for dry skin. This tiny powerhouse can do so much more. From making your lashes look fuller to keeping your fragrance lasting longer. So if you've ever wondered why Vaseline is called a miracle in a jar, or if all those TikTok hacks with Vaseline actually work, then you're in the right place. Today I'm breaking down 20 amazing ways you can use Vaseline in your beauty routine. I'll tell you the science behind each hacks and tell you if it really works and some bonus tips to make the most out of each one. So let the quest begin. Benefit number 1, daily moisturizer. People often use Vaseline as a daily moisturizer, especially in colder months or for very dry skin. This is a hack backed by science. Vaseline is the most occlusive ingredient in the skincare world, making it the most effective moisturizer in preventing water loss from the skin. Even if you have oily skin, you can try applying Vaseline in those areas of the skin that tends to get dry, like the upper lips or around the nose. Personally, Vaseline is my go-to moisturizer in the colder months. It works wonders for my dry skin. Benefit number 2, petroleum jelly for eyelash growth. Who doesn't love the idea of longer, fuller lashes without shelling out for pricey serums? But is it as effective as it sounds? Technically, Vaseline does not make lashes grow longer. What it does is condition and protect them from breakage, which can make them appear a little healthier and fuller over time. Personally, I don't really recommend using it regularly as the eye area is very sensitive. I actually use it to hold the natural curl of my lashes on the days when I don't want to wear mascara. And with this hack, eyelashes do appear fuller and prettier. Benefit number 3, lip balm. Vaseline as a lip balm is cheap yet extremely effective for keeping lips soft and moisturized. Vaseline locks in moisture, making it perfect for chapped lips. Applying it on damp lips provides better results. Benefit number 4, using Vaseline as a makeup remover. Vaseline is oil-based, so it might be good at breaking down makeup without harsh chemicals. So it could work as an emergency solution, but I'd suggest sticking with an oil cleanser or micellar water on a regular basis for better and more effective cleansing experience. Because petroleum jelly does not have emulsifiers like oil or balm cleansers, which can make it harder to melt down makeup and wash it off. Plus, Vaseline itself is sticky, which might make it harder to get the makeup off completely too. Benefit number 5, Vaseline for eyebrow conditioning. Vaseline is useful in shaping the eyebrows. It doesn't have the ability to make eyebrows grow, but it can make them look groomed and help soften coarse hair. And that's why I apply a small dab of Vaseline to my brows sometimes. It keeps them soft and manageable for easy shaping. Benefit number 6, removing blackheads with Vaseline. Unfortunately, this hack doesn't work. Blackheads are embedded deep into the pores and it's not possible for petroleum jelly to penetrate that far. Rather, using a chemical exfoliator like salicylic acid will yield much better result. Benefit number 7, under eye care with Vaseline. Applying a little amount of Vaseline to the under eye area can keep it moisturized, help lessen fine lines, and also make it soft and smooth. However, avoid applying Vaseline to your under eye area if you have history of milia in your family. Benefit number 8, natural highlighter. Applying Vaseline to the high points of your face gives a glossy, fresh-faced look. Just don't use too much to avoid looking greasy. I dab a small amount on my cheekbones when I want a natural glow without the shimmer of a regular highlighter. Benefit number 9, DIY Exfoliating Scrub. Should you combine Vaseline with sugar or coffee grounds for a gentle exfoliating scrub? If you are a regular viewer of this channel, you already know the answer. No. While Vaseline may reduce the damage by acting as occlusive, but still harmful, so I won't recommend it. Benefit number 10, DIY face mask. This hack advises mixing Vaseline with honey or aloe vera for a DIY hydrating mask. I won't recommend it. Although Vaseline itself is non-comedogenic, this might not be the case when it's mixed with other ingredients. And you don't need it. Vaseline itself is enough to keep your skin soft, hydrated, and moisturized. Moving on to benefit number 11, cuticle and nail care. Yes, Vaseline is great for softening and protecting cuticles, which helps strengthening your nails too. I massage a tiny bit on my nails before bed and it keeps them soft and healthy. Benefit number 12, lip sleeping mask. Vaseline can work as a great lip sleeping mask than any other expensive lip product. Apply a thick layer at night and gently wipe away in the morning to get soft, pink, and luscious lips. Benefit number 13, split ends prevention. Using Vaseline on the ends of hair to prevent split ends? Not actually necessary. Temporarily, Vaseline can seal split ends, protecting it from damage, but it doesn't actually repair them. It's more like a short-term fix and it's pretty difficult to wash it off, so don't recommend it. Benefit number 14, smooth shaving. I tried once, applied a little amount. It does reduce friction and irritation, but it clogs up your razor every time and it's pretty annoying. It could work for smaller areas like upper lips or eyebrows, but not for larger areas. Benefit number 15, long-lasting fragrance. Applying Vaseline to pulse points before perfume can actually make the fragrance last longer. Vaseline can create a barrier that helps keep the fragrance from evaporating too quickly. Benefit number 16, skin protectant. Vaseline can work as a skin protectant during the cold weather to prevent windburn or chapping. Vaseline provides a protective barrier that shields skin from harsh elements. I apply it to my face to prevent chapping and it works wonders. Benefit number 17, slugging or facial mask. Vaseline as an alternative facial mask. Yes! Slugging your face at night with some Vaseline will give soft and glowy face in the morning like no other. However, this hack is not for oily skin people. Benefit number 18, hair styling. Using Vaseline to tame hair flyaways. I once tried it and hated it. Made my hair look very heavy and greasy, so won't recommend it. Benefit number 19, foot softener. Applying Vaseline to feet and covering with socks for softer heels sounds like a great at-home treatment. It's super effective for rough, cracked heels, especially if you do it overnight. And the final one, benefit number 20 is healing minor scrapes and cuts. Vaseline is an FDA-approved skin protectant, so apply a little amount on minor cuts and scrapes. And by creating a protective layer, Vaseline will help prevent infection while keeping the wound moist, which will promote faster healing. So they were the 20 most popular uses of Vaseline on the internet. And you tell me how many of them you tried. And if you know any other uses of Vaseline, do let me know in the comment box below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, share and subscribe. This will really help grow my channel. See you next time. Till then, take care of yourself and don't forget to love the skin you're in. This is Sarah Deba signing off today from Deepa's Quest.